Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out a gap year affidavit. This crucial document details your activities during a break from formal education. It's often a requirement for university applications or certain visa processes, ensuring transparency about how you spent your time. We will cover the essential steps to create a clear and compelling affidavit, helping you present your experiences effectively and confidently. Next, let's focus on the core information. Begin by clearly stating your full name, current address, and contact details. Then specify the precise start and end dates of your gap period. This provides a clear timeline. Crucially, list all activities you engaged in, whether it was full-time employment, extensive travel, volunteer work, or personal projects. Be thorough and accurate with these foundational details. Now, let's make your activities shine. For each item listed, provide specific examples and highlight any achievements. Don't just say you volunteered. Mention you contributed over 100 hours to a community project. Quantify your experiences with numbers and measurable outcomes whenever possible. Finally, explain how these experiences fostered your personal growth, skill development, or career aspirations, connecting them to your future goals. Before submission, a thorough review is essential. Proofread your affidavit meticulously for any grammatical errors, typos, or inconsistencies. Ensure the document is properly signed and dated by you, and if required, by a notary public. Finally, gather all necessary supporting documents, such as certificates or letters of recommendation, and submit your complete application package according to the instructions provided.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.